like a zebra.
What's up, what it do, YouTube? It's your girl K.O., you know, and I'm back with another blessing. Today is Saturday, August the 14th, you know what I'm saying? It look good outside, the sun shine, the birds are chirping, you know what I'm saying? The females are out here. I don't see none right now, but I know they out here somewhere. We're gonna get into that, I promise you. But before we get into all this, you know what I'm saying, get into this clip, I want y'all to stop, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, you know what I'm saying? So whenever I post, you gonna know. Somebody, you gonna know first before anybody else know. So like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We're gonna get into the vlog. So y'all, I'm currently up here and goddamn Max Low, you feel me? Finna get me a oil change and all that shit. Make sure everything legit, you know what I'm saying? You know, I gotta make sure everything legit with my baby, you know what I'm saying? Make sure she stay fine, you know what I'm saying? Looking tight for me, you know. Stony, got my baby back. But no, I just let y'all know that, you know what I'm saying? I'm goddamn get back with y'all. Let me go in here and goddamn see what they got going on. I know they got a lot of cameras in there bit, so you know, then there might be some people you know don't want to be on camera, so you know how they go. So y'all just stay tuned, alright? It hot the fuck out here too, bro. It's my for real. Damn, for real. It's a beautiful day though. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think about the little light drip? Some light, huh? Ain't too late. Always on swing. I was gonna get me a haircut, but thinking about whipping this bit. Let my shit get a little deep, you feel me? But ain't no tell. It's gonna depend on how my patient gonna be with this shit, you feel? Think about it though. Yeah. Come on. They packing now, I gotta wait outside. If I got them, tell them I need goddamn oil change. Hot ass sun still. He come over here in this big ass truck. No one trying to record for y'all. He better not fuck up my goddamn, my voice. Big groupie nigga mother. Yeah, how the hell I am today, man?
Stuck in prison doing a whole shit. I seen this.
Y'all, I'm about to go in here and get down. Gonna go in here and get me something to eat from Zaxby's shit. Man, I had a long fucking night too, y'all. To my, I ain't getting hot till like about a little bit after 4. To my long night. I ain't go to sleep till about like 6, 7. Woke up at 11 o'clock, you feel? Now I'm back out here. Trying to get y'all the content some kind of way. I gotta give y'all some. Too much for real. Y'all motivate me to keep going, goddamn. These little subscribers keep jumping up, the view goddamn going up. So they let me know I'm doing something right, you feel? But I'm gonna get back with y'all. Y'all, these motherfuckers up here retarded for. I'm talking about line be long fuck up here. When they know they can goddamn do online order. I ordered my shit. No, I bullshit not like 10 minutes ago. I came over here and got my shit. My shit ready. These motherfuckers rather sit in a long ass line and wait 10 minutes. Oh well. These motherfuckers know they goddamn wrong for this shit. Look at this shit. Little bit of air fried. Man, I wish I would have opened my shit before I left out that bit. Ain't hiding good, but I could have gave me more fry than this. For real. Don't throw my other tomato all. Man, come on, man. Damn. Stupid ass. That's all I get at that bit. Zesty club sandwich. Or either the goddamn the salad. Or the salad. What they call it. The salad. Bitch, it's a salad. Hey, you talking about? Yeah. Y'all, I ain't finna sit here and hold this phone. I gotta get me a goddamn holder in this car. I had a phone holder in my Tahoe, but I ain't got nothing to do. So I don't know how this vlogging shit gonna be. Running around vlogging. I'm trying to get one for the day out with though. Real shit. Cause y'all know I gotta goddamn ride early in the morning going to work. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get y'all that. Shit, that's the start of the vlog. For 6 days out of the week. Anyway, I work 6 days out of the week. So, I'm gonna get that for y'all, though. Before the end of the day. I hope I won't forget. Oh, it's a couple of birthdays today, too, man. You know what I'm saying? Happy birthday to my motherfucking cousin. Man, you know what I'm saying? Out there in Vegas. Chilling with his motherfucking wife. Happy anniversary to y'all, too, you know what I'm saying? Big ups to y'all, whatever stays in Vegas. Oh, hold on, slay that. Whatever you do in Vegas stays in Vegas, you know what I'm saying? Happy motherfucking birthday. And rest in peace to Lil D, you know what I'm saying? Miss you, fam. Happy birthday. And rest in peace to motherfucking KeMonte. Excuse my language. Happy birthday, KeMonte, you know what I'm saying? Young G, I think KeMonte probably what, 14, 15 today, you know what I'm saying? If I ain't mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong, you know what I'm saying? But he one of cool and homie, smart. Into my full of energy. Into my didn't play no game. Good vibe. Man. Rest in peace, KeMonte, man. KeMonte'Strong. Forever be KeMonte'Strong. For real. It's somebody else's birthday. If I forgot, I apologize, you know what I'm saying? But they're gonna be a good day. I'm gonna try to go out there KeMonte thing. They're doing something for your birthday, so I'm gonna try to go out there and get y'all some clips, you know what I'm saying? Just show love too. You know what I'm saying? Support the movement, you know what I'm saying? The his foundation too, you know what I'm saying? The Not Foundation. Y'all support that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm finna eat this food right here, you know what I'm saying? Cause I am hungry, I ain't gonna lie. I'm been on 8 Friday game. But y'all stay tuned, I'm gonna get back with y'all.
Say it's out the film and shit.
Yeah, they be talking about you know, to my shit had been sad and shit.
Yeah.
So we about to get it in with the tickets over there.
Trying to, bro. Trying to get up out of here.
For real. I'll record around we though. He said, man, you in the goddamn camera. I said, nigga, you talking now, goddamn, when the money come in, I don't want to hear shit. He said, no, I'm just saying though. I said, yo, nigga.
Oh, he gonna show out.
Fine.
Get one of his New Year episodes. Shot it. You leave for 5 minutes, come back. That's lit.
That nigga goddamn birthday about to come up on the next month on the 10th. Him and Cannon on 2K got things on shit. Remember that good smoke, sipping on that blackberry Arbor Mist. all on, come all up in Dollar General trying to goddamn get me some goddamn iron cake. Gonna look for everything else goddamn. Get that birthday cake. Head to the motherfucking crib. I ain't get to do nothing I said I was gonna do, you know what I'm saying? I be getting so high and just be like, yeah, fuck it. I'm finna go to the crib, eat my ice cream, my red velvet kizzy cake. Feel I'm finna eat that bit. I don't know, it might be an early day. Turn in, you feel? I do gotta work tomorrow. Gotta be there at 6 o'clock, 8 a.m. You know what I'm saying? I get up at 4 and all that shit. So ain't no telling though. Might get up, might get back out, might not. It all depends. Yeah, I had to get back out for a minute, you know what I'm saying? I had to go get my mama something to eat. You feel me? From my aunt house. You know what I'm saying? She cooked some of her goddamn fire ribs, so you already know I had to get me a couple goddamn pieces of them. But they gonna be the end of this vlog, you know what I'm saying? I told you I got to work flow tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? I hope I got enough for y'all to watch, you know what I'm saying? Be entertained with. It ain't much, but it's enough. But before we end this vlog, I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Please, y'all. Do that for me just one time, Tell a friend, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to KO. And whenever you subscribe, you already know it's going to be a blessing. You feel? Blessed for me, and a blessing for you, I promise. Stay tuned, though, to the next vlog. And I'm out. Love.
Drill on this bitch. All the way. Trail on this bitch. I earn my strike like a zebra.